In today's video, I am going to show you how to do Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana is one of the best asana to improve your digestive fire, to massage your abdominal muscles, to reduce the belly fat and to improve the flexibility. So watch the video till end so that you learn all the technique of Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon as well so that you don't miss any updates. Namaste everyone, my name is Shaheeda. Let's begin. Let me show you the technique how to do Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. So for this practice, stretch both your legs in front of your body like this. And then what you do, stretch your hands up and inhale, head up. And as you exhale, stretch your body forward and slowly bend forward like this. And push your back forward like this and head goes towards your knee. Inhale, slowly come up and as you exhale, bend forward and head goes towards your knee. Like this. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. And as you exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hands up and hands by the side of your body. See how simple this practice is? So initially if you are not able to touch your toe like this, which is very common, so that means you should work on your body to develop your flexibility. So how you can touch your toe, let me show you. So you can hold your toe like this, making the hook and then holding the toe and then look forward and slowly slide your heel to the mat and check where you are comfortable, sliding the heel to the mat. If you are comfortable here, hold here like this and then keep pushing your back forward and head down like this. But still if you are not able to do this, you can take support of a pillow. So I am taking this pillow here and what I am going to do is, I am keeping my legs like this. Simple. And then inhale and as you exhale, bend forward like this. Now you see how simple this practice is. Always remember that you keep your heels together and toe together like this and then bend forward. Hold the posture as long as you can with normal breathing initially. If you are a beginner, don't hold your breath for 5 or 10 count. Just do the normal breathing and hold the posture for long. Slowly and gradually, when you are comfortable with the posture, when you are comfortable with the breathing, then hold the breath along with the holding the posture like this. Inhale and exhale. You see, nice belly massage, back stretch, hamstring stretch. This is Paschimottanasana. Okay, mistakes to avoid. So let me show you what are the major mistakes you should avoid in Paschimottanasana. Keep your legs always together. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. So keep your legs together and then bend forward. Mistake number 2, people generally what they do, they keep the spine rounded and they want to touch their toe. But keep your spine always erect and then imagine that somebody is pulling you forward. So you see the whole back is nicely stretched. If my spine is rounded, I am also not able to touch my toe. But if my spine is erect, then I am able to touch my toe like this. Okay? And once you are comfortable with the breathing, inhale and exhale, empty your stomach, then bend forward. Now, what are the major benefits of Paschimottanasana? If you do Paschimottanasana regularly, you will develop flexibility in your body. Your belly is getting good, nice massage. So it is good for your digestion. It is good for your liver, kidneys, stomach. So whole belly, it is highly beneficial to improve the function of all your internal organs. It is highly beneficial if you are suffering from constipation, diabetes problem, indigestion problem. So you are going to get relief. It is highly beneficial to keep your gut healthy. It improves your gut and mind connection. It is highly beneficial to develop the flexibility of your hamstrings and your back. There are some limitations also. People who are suffering from lower back pain or sciatica pain, they should not practice Paschimottanasana. Let me show you the counter pose now, which you are going to do after the Paschimottanasana. So stretch your legs in front of your body, keep your palms at the back of your body. Name of this asana is Purvottanasana or inclined plane position. So join your heels and toes together again, keep your palms at the back of your body, head up and slowly lift your hip up. Your neck is hanging like this. Hold here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Again, inhale. Hold your breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. If you're not able to lift your heels like hip up like this, you can bend one leg like this. And then hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done with right. Now bend the left and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. Purvottanasana will release the tension of Paschimottanasana. Highly beneficial to develop your arm strength, to open your chest, to release the tension around your back. If you want to learn more asanas like this, you can join my online yoga classes. These online yoga classes are conducted on Zoom from Monday to Friday, morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. In these yoga classes, you are going to learn different asanas, pranayama, meditation, relaxation. Who can join these classes? If you are a beginner, you can join these classes. If you are already practicing yoga or if you are having any kind of health condition like diabetes, thyroid, hypertension, high blood pressure, inflammation in your joints, joint pain, if you are suffering from insomnia, you are not able to sleep properly, these classes are highly recommended. For more details, you can visit my website or you can drop a WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till end. I hope you find this video useful and helpful. So like this video, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe this YouTube channel and keep practicing yoga every day. See you in next video. Take good care of yourself. Namaste.